Hey guys, 1280 here again. Well, I got something today for the smoke alarm fans. I have, as you see, smoke alarms here. As you know, I'm starting to collect them. Well, today I decided I would stop at my resale barn, resale shop, whatever you want to call it, to see what they had. And I found something for $1. Here it is. Yep, it is a Coleman Sheltra smoke and fire alarm with a high intensity safety light and lights for safe exit. I don't know if the batteries are included, doesn't look like it, but that's fine. Comes with the mounting hardware and the owner's manual. It is slightly open, looks like they took the batteries out, but otherwise it doesn't look like it's ever been opened. I don't know if it's the alarm that's slightly yellow or if it's the packaging, but we shall see. So I figured I would do an unboxing. Now, I just got hit in the face by plastic. Alright, here is the owner's manual. Pretty cool. What is this? Let's see. Owner registration card. Cool. So you know it's definitely new. Smoke alarm features, mobile home installation, how to install it, where not to install it, always test it, always check your battery, change your batteries, etc. Mounting hardware. A lot of yellow amber plastic. Permit to sit for a long time. Hopefully the alarm is not. If it is, it's not the end of the world. But considering it's in its packaging and I'm gonna open it, something tells me it's not. Plastic is definitely brittle, I'm gonna tell you that much. Nope, it is not yellow. Cool. No battery, that's fine. Here it is. Oh, well, I guess that's for the emergency light, and a 9-volt is for the smoke alarm itself. Oh, come on, if I can grab the connector for the 9-volt, pull it out just a second. There. This was made in 1997. It's 13597. So I'm using my selfie cam so I can see what I'm looking at too. Flashing light once per minute indicates power on. Flashing light 6 times per minute indicates alarm control activated. Cool. What I'm gonna do before I put the 9-volt in, I'm gonna take these AA batteries out and see how good they are. These are, I doubt these have been in here. I think someone took it out. I don't think they took it out of packaging because that was pretty new. I guess it comes with them like that. Ever ready, super heavy duty. And if that's the case, these are in great shape for what it is. So, what I'm gonna do is make a voltmeter and test them, see how good they are. Because if not, I'll have to go get new AA batteries, which we have plenty of those. Please pause. Wow, that one's brand new. So is that one. Wow. Oh, shut up. For some reason it does that when I push this button. That doesn't make sense though, because it is sealed. It was sealed in the packaging, as you saw. Batteries included. For some reason it does come with an 9-volt. Because I mean, if it is really sealed, then that's pretty insane that these lasted that. These are still good all these years. Doesn't make sense to me, but okay. I'll hook up a 9 volt battery to it, and then we'll give it a test. There we go. No, the battery cover is part of the base, so cover this up, and here we go. The emergency light's not working for some reason. That's odd. Ow. Why isn't the emergency light working? Make sure I have these in the right way, don't I? Yeah. Let me put the mounting bracket on and see if, I don't know why that would make a difference, but maybe not. Well, that's odd. I see that it has an issue, but it looks brand new in a sealed package. That is odd. Let me go get two new AA batteries just to make sure. Let's see if let's curious about something real quick. Okay, so that is okay. Okay, let's see if that does anything. There it goes. So the batteries were bad, which is odd because they tested 1.5 volts. Whatever. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount it. Where are we going to mount you? I'll mount you over here by this other smoke detector. So give me a minute. Let me turn it over here. Beautiful. Open up the packaging. And I'll do another video later. Upload another video later of testing it through a smoke, which I'm assuming it will work, but okay. My Phillips head screwdriver. It would go like that. See what? I have to put that. Oh, come on. See if that helps any. assuming that's where they go. Let me double check the manual. Make sure I'm actually putting them in the right slot. Whole thing. Oh, I know that's the registration card. Duh. Placement, yada yada yada. Yeah, looks like I am. Cool. It's the other one. I guess I don't need the anchor, which is cool. Okay, that one I do. That one is just spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning. Oh, come on. Okay, so that one I need the anchor for, so we'll go ahead and put the anchors in both, just to prevent future issues. Go. Oops. That's kind of boring. Oops, battery warning. Kind of a boring video, but it's whatever. Sorry. Only do so much. Really? Can you stop doing that? That'd be helpful. There you go. There. Put the alarm on. Maybe. There. Let's see if I can. Oops. Let's see here. I like to have it straighter. It's upside, or where it's right set up, but if not, oh well. Not the end of the world. Yeah, there we go. Not the end of the world. Here we go. Awesome. This one. This one. Cool. This one. And this guy. Come on. I didn't put the battery back in from when I tested it with smoke. There we go. My bad. Alright, well, you get the idea. Alright, hope you enjoyed.